So hi guys, today we are here at my parents' house and I moved my Surinam Cherry here. If you're new to my channel, I used to have this in my balcony garden, but since I work in Manila for quite some time, I already moved this one to a different location, just 6 kilometers from where I live. But now I'm so excited to show you that it's now fruiting and it's now... Behold this pumpkin-like cherry. Its bright red color is just so attractive and it's so beautiful. So this is also known as pitanga and some other names, and it is native in Brazil and of course from its name in Suriname. So here, this is just growing in a container and it loves the sun so much. So this is the third area where I'm placing this, and this is just the very first stand, but it blooms this much. And look at this very beautiful flower, white with anthers. I think it's called anthers, yellow anthers hanging down, and does not really care of how much the sun is hitting them. So take a look at these leaves. These are also very healthy green leaves, which is a very contrasting color to the white and to the red fruit that this plant is having. This has been here for about 3 years. So you have seen this before in my balcony, but it did not like that area so much because it has only limited sun. And here they got so much sun that they want. This is just a small plant that you can grow in your own garden if you want some fruit trees around. Also somewhere there. You can see that bunch of flowers right there. So it is really flowering a lot. And also right here on this side. It's such a very hot day. It's midsummer. Midsummer, no, that's not true. It's just starting to officially the dry season. This is also very low hanging plant. So it's just like almost just right above my brother's car, next to our gate. So the fruit is just too attractive. Yeah, we live next to our road, so pardon the noise. But there's just also some bugs here. This also a lot here. This one. And there are a lot of flowers here on this side.